We are about to see something good.
Making his way to the ring, representing the NWO from Busan, South Korea, weighing in at 260 pounds, the Idol,
We've seen this man face adversity before, but this could be his toughest challenge yet.
There are few rules in an ambulance match besides getting your opponent in the vehicle and shutting the door. Let's see if he can take advantage of this match's extreme nature and do whatever it takes to win.
All right, I love this guy.
and his opponent, representing the NWO from South Korea, weighing in at 260 pounds, the Idol,
His toughest challenge yet.
There are few rules in an ambulance match besides getting your opponent in the vehicle and shutting the door. Let's see if he can take advantage of this match's extreme nature and do whatever it takes to win.
The following contest is an ambulance match. There are no pinfalls, submissions, disqualifications, or countouts. The only way to win is for a superstar to force their opponent into the ambulance by any means necessary. After closing both doors, the remaining superstar will be declared the winner. Now, let the match begin!
And the name of the game here is no rules. Do whatever you can to incapacitate your opponent to the point where you can lock them inside the back of that ambulance at the top of the ramp.
And if it takes the ambulance as a weapon too, then so be it. 9,000 pounds of steel, fully outfitted to cause irreparable damage.
Yeah, there's a reason a match this dangerous rarely gets sanctioned.
Oh, stop after stop after stop. Jeez.
Just going all out with every blow.
Oh, man.
Good grief.
Turn your lights out. That was a vicious display. You can almost see the disdain in their eyes.
Holy time offense there.
When it comes to settling a score, this match symbolizes a unique form of conflict resolution. To be victorious, you need to put your opponent in the ambulance and close the doors.
There are so many layers of danger. Hazards are everywhere.
We are on the top rope.
Oh, no. Ambulance matchup underway. Remember, there are no pinfalls, no submissions, no countouts, no rules. You've got to put your opponent into the back of an ambulance.
This is a dangerous match. No matter how you approach it, the only strategy is to survive.
You're looking to crush the hamstring.
Oh. Another one?
Crush a hamstring.
You can't get caught in a hailstorm like that if you want to win.
Ouch.
Reversal. And that turns things around.
chop block. Brilliant. Right to the back of the knee.
Illegal in many sports, but that was used effectively in there.
Putting the boots to an opponent will take the fight out of them in a hurry.
And he gets delivered back into the ring.
Opening the ambulance doors. We know what's going through this competitor's mind. Vicious, downright savage club right there.
Still fighting back. Look at him go. And saw what was coming there.
One counter met by another.
Lifted and completely helpless here. There's absolutely no regard for your opponent's safety when you toss them to the outside like that. Turns that in his favor. And now getting posted up in front of the ambulance doors, just motionless here. Corey, any words of wisdom for a superstar in the unique position of competing in an ambulance match?
Doing their best, just surviving the shutting door and escaping the ambulance.
And the match continues. Oh, man, what a gut buster. Looks like he's coming back in. Boom with a forearm.
Threw caution to the wind, and it paid off big time. Kicks to the face. Capped off with a big one.
He's no longer looking at his best. That'll turn your lights out. Oh!
Sharp knee to the body.
Momentum's completely with him now.
Ain't nothing holding him back here.
This is a situation you want to avoid.
Tossed into the back of the meat wagon.
Trying to... There's no way this is happening. They escaped.
Miraculous.
Uh-oh. Has to find a way out of this. Oh!
Desperately trying to close the first of two doors.
Yeah, can they get... How did they escape? That's incredible.
What resolve. Headlock cinched in and just tossed their opponent. No other way to say it, guys. That looked like it hurt a lot. Face first. Ooh, well measured. Drops the elbow.
His body has to be racked with pain.
It speaks to the intensity of this match. It has been a very rough affair so far.
An impressive amount of offense against him here.
I know he didn't think he'd be in this position tonight.
Head first into the ambulance, appears to be completely defenseless right now. This is a hell of a struggle. Just trying to...
One door is shut. We could be looking at the end here. Pushing with every fiber of their being. Forcing their way out of the ambulance.
Ouch.
Ooh.
Tossed back into the ring.
Oh, closing the door saying, I am nowhere near done with you. Oh, what a clothesline. Double underhook, butterfly applied. Beautiful suplex, but not done yet. Still going. Another one.
Going for a trifecta. And a face buster to end things. He's headed out to the ringside area. Look at this, opening the back doors, taking a big step towards success in this ambulance match. Under the ropes and back into the ring.
Got him lined up, and it's only a matter of time now.
Fends it off, good counter. He gets sent straight down to the floor.
I don't know what he's got in mind heading to the floor here.
Caught in a bad spot. Powerbomb right into the ambulance. Can you believe it?
Trying to
Halfway home now. If they can slam this door shut, it's over. I can't believe it's so close.
almost there. Almost surviving
match continues.
Textbook vertical suplex. Bam. Slowly moving. I'm sure he can feel the target on his back here. Big boot! Incredible.
Picked up and being carried around now.
As their opponent in the ambulance and one step closer to victory. Doing their best just to shut that first door. Now just needs to get that second door closed. Just close the second door and victory is yours. Shut the door.
There's no way this is happening. They escaped.
Miraculous.
Oh, what a chop.
That'll light you up.
Shot to the...
Uh-oh. Batten down the hatches.
F5! Thunderous!
That might just be all she wrote. If he can only find a way to haul his opponent into that ambulance. Tossed into the back of the meat wagon.
And now he sees control for the moment.
Look at first door shut. Needs one more. Inches away from ending this one. They're about to win this ambulance match. And they actually escaped from the ambulance. This battle rolls on. Belly to belly. Vicious.
This late in the match, and he's still taking a lot of damage.
We are in the deep waters now, and he is in serious danger.
Ooh, he fends that off.
Trying to get up. He has no clue what's in store for him here. Double chicken wing applied, rotating through, and face buster. Ouch. This is when you have to make your move. When you have to dig deep and carry your opponent into the ambulance.
Just like that, sent out of the ring. Taken to the floor, and he's got no worries about the count. And he gets set back into the ring. He's hurled out and crashes down to the floor. Gets out of the ring. What's going to happen now?
Uh-oh. He saw that being telegraphed.
Oh, what a spine buster. Ooh, well-planted knee.
Ouch.
Setting up for something here.
As their opponent in the ambulance and one step closer to victory.
This is a hell of a struggle.
Just has to make sure to get the other door locked.
If they can slam this door shut, it's over. I can't believe it's so close.
And they're not ready to let this end just yet. Still more fight to be had.
Oh, right to the back of the neck. What a blow.
Good night. And these guys are trying to prove they belong in the main event, that they are on top of the mountain here. Big-time confidence leading to big-time matches. I love it.
What a display of strength here.
Powerbombed into the ambulance. Doing their best. Now just needs to get that second door closed. Pushing with everything they've got.
Come on, shut the thing. How did they escape? That's incredible.
What resolve. Knee right to the gut.
This is not going to be good.
Relentless.
Climbing to the top. What's he thinking?
Perched up top. What? That was just incredible hang time. Was willing to take the high risk to the out. Double chicken wing applied, rotating through, and bam! Face first into the canvas. That could have done him in for good.
Might be the prelude before a visit to the local medical facility.
My goodness, he's up there. This can only get worse.
He's headed to the roof of the ambulance.
Scaled the ambulance, and now what does he have in mind?
Ooh, oh, short knee right to the body.
Oh, look at them knees.
Burying knees into the body.
Being dragged and mangled all the way to the back doors of the ambulance.
Countering that offense.
Savage knee to the face.
Oh, he cuts it off. Getting carried to a vulnerable position here.
Tossed into the back of the meat wagon.
Trying halfway home now. Trying to close the second door and win the match.
Inches away from victory.
And they actually escaped from the ambulance.
This battle rolls on.
Firm control. Big boot. Clobbered with a double axe handle.
And it looks like he's got a bullseye on his head now.
Big boot. Incredible. I can't believe this atmosphere.
Everyone wanted a banger, and boy, you got it.
Oh, ouch. Look at
One door is shut. We could be looking at the end here. Pushing with every fiber of their being.
surviving the shutting door and escaping the ambulance.
And the match continues. Oh, what a kick.
Right to the gut.
There's the heel kick. Ooh.
Oh. And he's only got one thing on his mind right about now.
Back elbow blows up.
Uh-oh. Batten down the hatches.
Rains down an elbow in retaliation. And a face buster to end things. Not looking good in this position.
Chucked into the back of the ambulance. Shut the doors and this one's over. Desperately.
First door shut. Needs one more.
Oh, trying to close the second door and win the match.
Inches away from victory.